Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to withdraw money from Sweatcoin. First, launch and open Sweatcoin app on your phone. Once on the app, you can set the goal and invite your friends to win rewards. Now, tap the balance in the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see the See All Transaction option and tap on it. This will show you all the transaction history. Next, navigate to the GIF icon at the bottom of the screen. To scratch a card, select the option and scroll down to get a different scratch cards. Here, tap the unlock button and then continue the process. After that, reach the super draw option to get Nike gift cards. You can also view all the past super draws. Then navigate to the second tab, looks like a shopping bag at the bottom. Scroll down to review all the cards of different categories like health, gadget, finance and more. Following that, there is an enter now to win a gift card option and select it. This feature is for only premium users. The cost for this perk is 2 coins only. It doesn't offer direct cash withdrawals, but you can redeem your Sweatcoin earnings for different products. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.